Postgres is the world's most popular open-source relational database, and you can master the basics in under 2 minutes. Here is your step-by-step crash course. Install Docker Desktop, which is free. Go to Docker website, download the installer for your machine, run the installation, verify Docker is running. When you open the Docker Desktop application, clicking the Docker icon, you should see this page. Create a custom Docker network. Creating a dedicated bridge network allows our database and administration tools to communicate smoothly using their container names. Run the following command to download and start a PostgreSQL container connected to the network we just created. Spin up the Pgadmin container. Run the following command to start the Pgadmin web management tool. Open Docker Desktop and navigate to the Containers menu from the left sidebar. Verify that both your database and Pgadmin containers are listed and running. If a container is stopped, click the Start, Play arrow under the Actions column to run it. Click on the port number hyperlink listed next to the Pgadmin container to open the administration tool in your browser. Configure and access the dashboard. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 5050. Enter the initial admin credentials configured during setup, email and password. Once logged into the dashboard, right-click on Servers in the left-hand browser panel. Select Register, Server. In the General tab, enter a name for the server. In the Connection tab, if both containers are on a custom Docker bridge network, you can use the container name PostgreSDB. Give the database name, user, password, and port number given during the container creation. Click Save to establish the connection. Select your database from the Database drop-down in the left pane. Select Query Tool from the Tools menu at the top. Enter the SQL to create table. Select the SQL statement and click on the Run button. Table is successfully created. Enter the SQL query to add data and execute. The query had added 100 rows in the table. Let us verify the data by running a select statement. Yes, we have 100 products in this table. There are many ways to use the Postgres database, and this is one of the easiest way to use. There are many videos using data from the Postgres database, and you can refer this video for creating data.
If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more automation tips.